Have you ever noticed that the woman in your life, who used to share everything, has suddenly gone quiet? It's a confusing shift, isn't it? One moment she's an open book, and the next, it feels like you're facing a closed door. You might think she's stopped caring, that she's angry, or that she's punishing you. But what if her silence isn't about any of that? What if it's something much deeper? Let's explore why a woman shuts down when she's hurt. It's rarely because she doesn't love you anymore. In fact, it's often the opposite. Her silence is a defense mechanism, a self-preservation instinct that kicks in when she feels emotionally unsafe. Think about it. In the past, she probably tried to explain her feelings. She tried to tell you what was wrong, what hurt her, and what she needed. But what happened? Maybe her feelings were dismissed as an overreaction. Maybe they were minimized, ignored, or even turned back on her. When this happens repeatedly, a woman learns a painful lesson: expressing her emotions isn't safe. Her vulnerability gets met with invalidation, and her heart can only take so much of that before it starts building walls to protect itself. So, she stops talking. Not because she doesn't have anything to say, but because she's tired of her words falling on deaf ears. She's tired of the emotional exhaustion that comes from fighting to be understood. Her silence becomes her sanctuary, a place where she can protect her peace because her words couldn't. So, what do you do when she goes quiet? The natural instinct is to push. You want to fix it. You ask, "What's wrong? Talk to me. Why are you being so quiet?" But this pressure often makes things worse. It's like trying to force open a locked door. You'll only damage the lock further. Forcing her to talk when she feels unsafe is just another way of showing her that her feelings don't matter as much as your need for a quick resolution. The real solution isn't to chase her words. It's to rebuild the foundation of trust. Show her, through your actions, not just your words, that her emotions are safe with you. This isn't a quick fix. It takes time and consistency. It means giving her space without making her feel abandoned. It means being present, patient, and understanding, even when you don't fully grasp what she's going through. Instead of demanding answers, try creating an environment where she feels comfortable enough to offer them on her own. You could say something like, "I know you're not ready to talk right now, and that's okay. I just want you to know I'm here for you when you are. Your feelings are important to me." This simple validation can be incredibly powerful. It shows her you respect her need for space and that you're willing to wait. Her silence isn't a sign of distance, it's a plea for safety. It's a space she's created for healing. If you can fill that space with patience, empathy, and genuine care instead of pressure and frustration, you'll be earning back her comfort. And when she feels truly safe with you again, the words will return. They'll come back because she knows they'll be heard, valued, and held with care. So, don't chase her words. Earn her heart, and the words will follow. Thanks so much for watching. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building stronger, healthier relationships. See you in the next one.